Hey friends, it's Julia Harriet here. I'm so excited to be sitting by the fire with you. This is my first fire of the season, which is always my favorite because it marks that moment of change where we come back inside after a summer of outdoor play and exploration, and we get cozy together, and it's a time of creation, of really leaning into what do we want to make now in our lives in this, season of change. And so today I want to talk to you about something I'm really excited about, which is the writing process, because writing, as you know, is near and dear to my heart. It's a source of passion in my life. And I'm going to be spending some time really getting back into it myself after, like I said, I love going out and being out in the wilds, and I love returning and processing and sharing. So today I want to talk about a couple things that are important in my way of entering the world of writing. Each of us has an important and valuable story to share with the world. And you're probably like, well, I don't know. I don't know what my story is. Yeah, you do. You do. You have something from your life that's happened, or a perspective, or a unique viewpoint that is of value. And I want to encourage you to express it. There are many ways of expressing. Writing is my way. But for some people, it's painting. For some people, it's composing music. All those ways are so wonderful and needed. And today, let's just talk about writing. Those of you who know that you have a story that you want to write, that you want to publish out in the world, where do you begin? You might have your story all in your mind, and you're like, how do I get it out of my mind? Well, one of the things that I like to do first off, when I have a burning idea, like it just clicks, is to make an outline. And that's one of my suggestions, is make an outline. And it could even be a visual map where you're flowing more creatively. You're not going linear, like needing to be linear in your approach. But I love a good outline. I like to do my outline in written format, so not typing it out first, because I think there's something really visceral and important about the relationship of pen to paper, and that's our connection point. And so the more we can connect up front with our story and with the vision that we have of what we want to share, all the better when we actually start writing or typing. And so I want to give you that's what I'm doing. I'm like really working on my outline right now. And so the first thing I did was simply just let it flow. So I thought about the story I want to tell, and I just let the ideas come forth, the characters, and I just started writing them down. So sometimes maybe I would like circle or highlight something where it really stood out, like, ooh, that might be the start of a chapter. But I didn't get too formulaic. I was more about getting it out of my head and onto paper. So let me just suggest, like, you can call it a free write, like I said, a mind map or a visual map, or traditionalists, get in your outline zone, but get it out first, all of it. And, if something doesn't make sense, write it, circle it, question it. It's great, but capture it, because once you get it out of your mind, you will free up more space to continue and go forth. And that is just so much fun. So start with the outline. Let me know how it goes and tell me what is happening in your process, and I will tell you what's happening in mine. All right, take care.